single one bullet, okay? Low budget. Only one time hitting. Yes. Let's start the fight, sir. Marie. Start the bike. Take the mixer. Play with it. Off and on. Continue. Yeah, very slow, slow. Your name? Wind effect, spin the wooden wheel continuously, okay? As you can see here, we are using a mixer sound to create another bikes in the big for movie scene here. In the olden days, the movie production teams have been using the same technique to create another bikes in the big with the help of a mixer sound. ಇಂಥ ತರಾನೇ ನಾವು ಹಳೆ ಮೂವೀಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೀಮ್ ದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೈಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬುದು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು ಮೂವಿ ಸೀನ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಇದೇ ವಿಧಂగా మన పాత సినిమాలలో కూడా ప్రొడక్షన్ టీం వాళ్ళందరూ మిక్సర్